Are you okay, Joe?
Yes, I'm okay. Ah! So this is the basketball court.
Yes.
I love basketball. I'm really good at basketball.
Are you ready?
Yes!
And let's go.
Wait! Your shoes.
Where is my basketball shoes?
Basketball shoes? My first delivery. Wait here. Ah, basketball shoes.
That is not my basketball shoes. That is dancing shoes.
Dancing shoes?
Yes.
I love dancing.
You are silly, Joe.
Stop.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say,
Dizzy,
Dazzy,
There's my basketball shoes.
Now,
Now,
let's play basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's love sign. Basketball. Basketball. U sign. Basketball. Good. Basketball.
No. Oh. I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken. It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is a shame.
No, this ball is good. Look.
This is the trophy room.
Wow! Look at all these trophies. And this is the Dizzy Deliveries Cup.
Yes.
We're having a match this afternoon.
Can I play?
No.
Why?
It's for athletes.
But I'm...
But first, we have to change our clothes.
Let's love sign. Close. Close. U sign. Close. Good. Close.
Please, can I play in the match?
No. But we do need a referee.
Thank you. Now, I want a good, clean match. That's 1 point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. One point for the blue team. And another point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. Blow it, blow it. It's a draw, and the next team to score wins. Elliot passes it to his brother. It's Elliot's team that's gonna lift the trophy today. Well done. Your team won the Dizzy Deliveries Cup. Now it's time to go. Bye.
Thanks, Joe.
Bye-bye, Joe.
Bye, Joe.